Hey everyone, this is Mickey. Ever since I tried pumpkin spice desserts, I can't seem to stop having it every fall season. And although I could make pumpkin spice desserts when it's not fall, it's just not the same. So this year, I decided to make pumpkin spice madeleines. These madeleines are so moist and flavorful. To start making them, I first mixed the wet ingredients and then I added the dry ingredients. Then I put the batter into a madeleine pan and baked them. Once they were done, I let it cool completely before dusting the top with powdered sugar. If you're a fan of pumpkin or pumpkin spice, definitely give this recipe a try. So what is your favorite pumpkin food or drink? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.